Aging. It's crazy. Ooh. Probably send them to myself. Starting soon. Hey, baby girl, let me know. I'm a sound like a moon. I'm a sound like a woman. Baby girl, it's like pronto. Let me know. I suffocate with your arms around my neck. Let me know what I'm Mommy, you know this big girl. I think that we have to share it. Baby girl, you know what I'm It's everything. That's one of the lit. I want to lit.
Mom, I'm streaming right now. I got this museum I want to take you to. Nah, fuck this. Nah, fuck this. I don't care if they're kids. I said, and y'all all came into the gym asking for photos of me. And you know what they said? They said 20 fucking puppies. Hey, little swallow.
You know what? Stable agent. I like these guys, bro. Stable agent. I like these guys. Serious guys, bro. Serious guys. Boom.
You want to keep doing.
Yo, whoa. Peace. Bow. Hey. Okay then. I wanna know what's good then. Everyday man's on the blocks and I get them, but I don't know if they get man. So I just keep to the man. I just keep to the grind like yeah. Keep to the grind though every day. Yeah, man's on the grind yo. Hey, I get money like mad then. Yeah, I get money like a madman. Cause money come flowing, coming in like it's a fucking rafter. Yeah, I don't care though. I'm outside with the bros, so we get though. Hey, yeah, we get though. I'm outside with the boys, getting money on every day. Man's good. I'm like, let's go. Man's gonna see what I'm going with yo. But broskies don't even know. Like, them man don't know. Them man don't know what we do. Like, what going? They don't even know how we. I don't know that we rap man. I don't know that we rap man. Rap man like is a present, but we don't do man nicely. Like I'm outside though. She acting so feisty. Like what going? What going? Every girl, let me know what's up. Let me know what going. Once outside with the gang. Let me get more of that bread. Oh wow. Like come on, let's go, babe. Let me know. Let me know. Let me. Baby, I like your style. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh, it's going up. It's going up. Hey, bow. Ba, ooh. Yes, sir. It's looking nice. I'm saying, if you really think about it, man, we do this. Every day, man's on kind of trying to come, so I'm coming out foolish. I'm just here, trying to come so flawless. If you girl know, not me, I'm flawless. Yeah, that's so flawless. Every girl know I'm flawless. I'm just trying to get more out of money on. Every girl so flawless. Get to the bread, you know, I'm honest. I'm honest. And you know, I'm on it, getting to the right, let's go on it, we got, I'm on it, Pow, 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 pow. Oh my god, this annoying. That's a pop, bro. Market's about to open. Tell me my shit ain't loading. Come on, man. Serious? Serious. Mas vai sair dele. One second. Bro. Baby girl, let me know what gone. I'm so sad right where they gone. I'm just trying to make more of that baby girl, let's go. I'm so sad where they got that yo. Baby girl, let's go. Baby girl, let's go. Baby girl, let's go. I'm sad where they got so they get that dough. Like more of that dough. Like more of that dough. Baby girl, you know. Baby girl, you know. Baby girl, you know. I'm just trying to make more of that dough. Okay, let's lock in. Market opened. Both of these pairs are looking decent. I'm leaning towards trading the DAX more. So yeah, boom, man. The game plan is to wait for price to sell. You know, you want to slide. $29. Yeah, we just want to see a sort of a pullback. Market open here. Wow. So where can we sell to, right? That's the question. Here, market open here. So from my view, you know, price broke structure here, you know, this high. So yeah, anything like around here, I'm looking to buy again. So anything goes in there, I'm looking to buy. Now clear manipulation wise, I'm looking for these lows to be taken, like that, something like that, right? Looking for price to just do something, manipulation, right? Price to manipulate, like this. After that, I'll tell you, something like that. Something like that, man. So yeah, waiting for a good pullback. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for buys. Wait for buys. UK 100. I'm not even trying to look at it. It's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Like maybe it might go for that, for this low. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not really looking at it. I look at this mostly. But not much to do today. Sometimes it's just not much to do. Not much to do. So yeah. I'm more curious on the gold market and the Euro USD market. So I'm waiting for Euro USD to sell today. I'm waiting for it to break structure though. Maybe this whole week it won't do that, right? I'm waiting for a 4-hour confirmation. So whenever it's ready, maybe I'll enter off the 1 hour. So I'm looking for some sort of break in structure. I want to try it out. So price, okay, yo, what's good, my guy? Yo, what's your name? Was it Spray? Man, like Spray. But yo, Spray, I'm just looking at like to sell Euro USD soon. So it's in my area and I'm looking for price to break this low. After we break this low, maybe we're gonna do it today. Then I'll wait for a break of structure in the 1 hour and I'll enter. So that's a market structure shift. I think EU is gonna give us a huge opportunity. Huge opportunity. something like that. You know what I'm looking for. I'm in your Discord. I've chat to you a couple times. Oh, bro, it's you. Oh yeah, of course, man. You're the guy that started trading on a like proper, not trading flow, but in a professional sense, innit? Was that you? We talked about how you gonna like start trading like regular retail traders. You know what I mean? Yeah. Nah. How you finding trading now, man? You've been in this space for a while. Well, it's been like what, almost a year now, right? How you getting along? Because I think you received that 50k, or like you received the funded account, right? From me. Oh yeah, actually, I can add the thumbnail. Permanent thumbnail. It's good. About 10 months I'm trading order flow now. I haven't passed an eval yet, but on God, I'm so close. Yeah. Nah, for sure, bro. Keep pushing. Like, this shit takes time, bro. Like, that's why I be saying it's best. Yeah, it's best to find a side hustle as well by side. I feel like trading is it's such a long game, but it's more worth it than anything else. You know what I'm saying? So best, bro, just find something, get a job, part-time job, so you have money coming in, but allow yourself to learn, allow yourself to take it in. You feel me? Yeah, lock in with one strategy. Honestly, they all work. It's just which one makes sense to you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. With these streams, I'm looking forward to growing with everyone. Like, as I get better, as I get like a really good trader, you know what I'm saying? Then we can share some value. But hey, man, soon come, bro. One second. Yeah. Just 1 second. I can't read the chat right now. I'm just trying to make like a thumbnail for the stream. I'm just trying to add it. I just made it yesterday, so. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, I'm not able to add it. Cool. 1 second, bro. 1 second. Actually, I can read it from other thing. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go because my girl just woke up. Yeah, man. Take care, bro. Much love. Much love. Oh, wow. Do you reckon? Now we're switching. All started with this. Literally. All started with that. And if we come above this, that is a level. TP there. I ain't gonna lie, that's a good ass trade. That's a good ass trade. Oh, that's a good trade. Yeah, okay, that's not me. Hell no. Wow. That's great. Oh. Ooh, slight lag. But yeah, it's good. Good chart. Jesus. Says daily low taken. We really precisely, like, can be really precise with it. Precisely came down here. Just ignore all this. This. Oh, it didn't close, it don't count. Alright. Could have been a great trade. Can't lie. Could have been a great trade. Could have been a good ass trade. Wow. Fair play, man. Fair play. Fair play. Okay. It's great. I mean, where would we be going? Perhaps, maybe. Nah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Fundamentals. Fundamentals. Okay, so today's stream, I want to look at fundamentals. Yeah, I want to learn about it. Apparently, it's very important. I don't No trader really talks about it. Let the trade do its thing, right? I expect it to, right? But I finished the stream 10 anyway. So 10. Oh, I mean, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, 8. This is +2 really, +2. So 5 for the stream then. So I can put notification. Create. Right. Like that. Well, yeah, and then I guess reaction usually it takes time. Yeah, so today learn about fundamentals. Alright. So let me do that. Very simple. Interesting. Oh. So forex currencies is that. So it focuses on geopolitical stability, trade balances, national debt levels. So based on that, you could, right, just go with something that. Okay. Yeah, but instead of me looking, I could just make use Claude to scrape all the data, give me a quick report each morning. I read about it. Ooh, like, oh my god, that's cold. Wait, best. Ooh, sorry. Brilliant. That could be. Ooh. Okay. Because it makes sense, right? So, yes, equities are commodities. What group of market would you consider the S&P 500, the DAX, and FT Macroeconomic indicators. Macroeconomic indicators. Interesting. Very interesting. I am just interested. So there's fundamentals and there's fundamentals and was it analytic? No. So there's fundamentals and there's technical. I am a technical day trader who wants to understand the latest for sets in general. I want to build the basics of what to look out for and where, so I can better my trading with both technical analysis and fundamental. So help me, which should improve my trading. Yeah, I think for sure. Anyone is in the chat, have you ever thought about just fundamentals, bro? For technical day trading, macro indicators are not used to predict where the markets will be in 5 years. Instead, they're used to anticipate high volatility windows, avoid getting stopped out by news spike, and understanding the intraday narrative or sentiment. By merging technical analysis with macro perspective, you can avoid trading blindly into major data releases and learn to ride the momentum they generate. True. The 5 high impact indicators to watch. As a day trader, you only need to focus on a few metrics. These are the releases that create immediate heavy order flow. Indicators: central bank policy interest rate, FOMC, ECB, BOE, every 6 weeks. Why it matters for intraday trading. The ultimate market mover changes the cost of money. Pay close attention to the press conference 30 minutes after the initial rate drop. High rates, currency, okay. Consumer price index, CPI, monthly. The primary measure of inflation. Central banks base their interest rates hikes or cuts entirely on this number. High rates, expect a sharp drop in indices, spikes in the US dollar. Okay. Employment data. First Friday of every month. Employment data. NFP measures labor market health the first 15 to 30 minutes after this release. See the high volume and slippage of the month. Okay. Strongest job report, stronger currency. Hawkish central bank sentiment. Okay. PMI, Purchase Managers Index. A forward-looking indicator measures manufacturing and service sector's health. It released earlier than GDP. Above 50 expands bullism. Interesting. Wow. Gross domestic product. GDP. Definition: quarterly. Definitive scorecard of an economic while it is largely indicated. Higher than this bullish. Wow. So Economic indicators are so important. Bro, they are. What? You do not need an expensive institution terminal to track these events. Use the tools to monitor economic releases. The economic calendar uses platforms like Investing.com, TradingView, Economic Calendar. Filter by impact. Filter your calendar to display high impact or 3-star. Filter by impact. Filter your calendar to display high impact 3-star events only. This eliminates minor reports and highlights the ones that cause sudden price spikes. Check the baseline, note the previous results and the analysis. Oh, swear. So, Do I understand? Is so when it comes to yes, it's pretty alright. In a way, you know if the central bank say they cut rates or they increase it, we have a clear indicator or a strong wind. To do. Bro, no way. Damn. Bro, I just spilled water. Yo. Usually it's this. She asked me for my opinion. I don't know. I don't need to know. I think I need to know. Because there is a clear way to determine scenarios, right? Even if get base use crazy CPI still such a in a way, if it lines up with just the charts, then cool. If it doesn't, then just be careful trading. That's all I have to say. But yeah, right now, if there's something say, the companies here are not doing that great, yeah, the DAX more likely to drop. So it now making this downtrend might be like, it's lining up. So it's very interesting. Day one, the central bank playbook, the core trend. Who are I want to learn and give me 3 of yeah, of course. So yeah, you could definitely take it. Oh my god, no way. Any opportunities? Now I'm waiting. I'm waiting on a few confirmations. So as you can see on my chart, I'm waiting for price to liquidate this low, and after that, maybe we might push up higher, or price might manipulate. So laggy, might manipulate this low, then go higher. Ooh, so laggy, yo. So yeah, I was looking to enter from here, a little pullback, but that never happened. The pullback was actually here. So yeah, I could have been in a 1 minute. Ooh, I could have done that if I entered off here. Well, that would have been sick. Oh man, makes so much sense too. Like this, TP, literally there. Could have secured this. This would have been nice. Yeah. Ooh, this was an easy trade. Fuck. It's a very easy trade. Wow. Well, do I know you, bro? I feel like your name is familiar. Yeah, I would recommend. Well, if you so basically, yeah, I'll be so honest. Trading takes time, a lot of learning. This is like a lifestyle. So if you're trying to make quick money, this is not it. But in the long term, trading will outperform anything. Like money wise, it can do that. But it's like, are you willing to put in the work, put in the time? There's not much work to put in, it's just time, right? So what I would recommend is do two things. Learn trading, have a part-time job, right, to have money coming in, and look at a hustle, a side hustle that is faster than trading. Something in a year or 2 years you can actually make money off. So at least your job can be replaced by that side hustle, right? Then that side hustle is your main hustle, and now you don't need to make money from trading, but you're still learning trading and you're chilling. That's the best way I recommend to get into trading, because you don't never want to be a trader who wants to make money with trading. It will mess up your whole journey. I know it sounds backwards, but trust me, it will mess up your journey. So trading is a great skill to know. Like, it's great. Like, bro, imagine you're on holiday. You want to make money. Like, you can do this quick, this, that, done. But to get to that level, it takes like 2 to 4 years. That's like 2 to 4 years to get there. But other businesses, it can only take 1 or 2 years and you make money, you know? So, yeah, man. That's my honest recommendation. I mean, if you want, I can talk about my experience, what I do. I'm talking from experience here, so. What's your thoughts, bro? Yep. Cool. All right, the guy's gone. Cool. Yeah, hard. Can't lie, tough. That's really good information, bro. It's cool. So yeah. All right then. So I mean, in a way, yeah. Let's be honest. Oh yeah. Then come there, came in there. This would have been a sick trade, bro. If you really want to get more than very close to the point, I think. I need to respect the 1 minute because that's the structure that's been respected. So if we break structure from here and yeah, I'm out. It's based on the fact that so yeah, if we pull, whatever. Yeah, anyways, I'll be back. Yo, bro, please, get me a funnel account. I'm a good trader. Next month, hopefully, I'll get more. Or just like, text me on Discord. Oh, right. Content that may also portray, but I have this 2 hours. Link in the bio. My Discord is in the bio.
Yeah. Y'all know Spider-Man is destined to beat Dr. Doom, right? And I say this mainly because Spider-Man is like the X factor against Dr. Doom. Hear me out. I say this mainly because Dr. Doom has beef with a lot of characters in Doomsday, and Spider-Man is not one of them. His number one beef and his biggest op is Steve Rogers. Steve decided to have a family in the timeline knowing that he wasn't supposed to, and in return, this hurt Dr. Doom, so he's gonna hurt him back. So that's his number one op. And it also continues the RDJ versus Chris Evans or the Iron Man versus Captain America thing. Then you got Loki, the god of the multiverse, and Dr. Doom is about to hand that man a pink slip. Because Loki decided it would be a great idea to make sure that everybody has free will to make their choices. And Dr. Doom like, forget all that. I'm finna take over and make sure everybody is ruled underneath me because I can keep everybody safe. Then you got good old Reed Richards. This is this man's arch nemesis, so of course he gonna have the beef with him. Now here's the thing with Spider-Man. This man is unaccounted for. We have had absolutely no word of Spider-Man being in Doomsday, right? So him showing up at the end of Doomsday could definitely set the tide for Secret Wars, right? Because when you think about it, Tony Stark was Peter Parker's mentor, right? And Tony Stark was the world's greatest hero, and he was setting up Peter Parker to take his place. So when it's revealed that Tony Stark's face is the same face of Dr. Doom, and now he has become the world's greatest villain, it only makes sense that his mentee would be the same person that puts a stop to him. And then he would finally step into the role as the world's greatest hero. Y'all know Spider-Man.
Setting up Miles Morales. Oh man. That'll be hard.
Bro, I'm driving through Leicester City, yeah, and broski, you can't drive a straight line, bro. Like, there's always something happening. There's police pulling someone over there, bro. There's an accident happening over there. You can never.
Alright, cool, bro. I'll check the message later. And just send me your email with Equity Edge. I can get you a free account. So Equity Edge, make an account, send me the email.
Bro, I got places to. Bro, I'm driving through Leicester City, yeah, and broski, you can't drive a straight line, bro. Bro, I'm.
Nah, respect. Hold on. Tough.
Let's talk about Euro USD.
Can an unserious.
Nah, this nigga just wanna disagree with me. Nigga said longs? Longs. My nigga said that's a clown. Yo. Nah, man. People are serious.
Bro, I'm driving through Leicester City, yeah.
So 2 weeks ago, the repair's at $885 payout. And it's currently August the 5th. And we have a next payout loaded. This payout, we make this payout off luck. This payout is straight luck. I don't know me keep on to do this. As you can see, we are at 71 trades. We have this account since March, April, May, June, July, August. 6 months. That shows you can how long you can have a live funded account. Then this live funded account for 6 months and maybe I get consistent. Let me see now.
Life update, my husband quit his job.
Hey guys, my mom. Hi, welcome to Aura. What would you like? I'll be honest. I don't know. It's my first time.
Yo,
It's part 46 trading to 1 million. Let's go.
Yeah, I don't know how that nigga blew up. Be so real. Damn. Wait, what?
It is a good day on our Funding Traders 100k account. I took a trade here. I had a bit of an early entry. Should have waited 100 in profit.
Maybe he converts, bro. Back to this. Camille, Paul, Tudor, Jones, and Raynor are useful references specifically because each presents a different piece of macro-technical puzzles you're trying to build. Here's how each one's actual framework works. Not their methodological version. Stanley Druckenmiller built his reputation as symmetric, concentrated macro beats rather than diversification. His core discipline is top-down liquidity analysis. He tracks central bank balance sheets and credit conditions first, then asks which asset class will benefit most from the direction liquidity is heading, and only then looks for technical entries. His famous line, credited to working alongside George Soros, is that the way to make money is to find a position with a good risk reward and bet size aggressively once you're convinced, rather than spreading small bets across many ideas. Practically, this means he doesn't trade the headline, a rate cut, a job number. He trades what the Fed reaction functions implies for liquidity 3 to 6 months out, and he's willing to be early and wrong on timing while being right on direction. For your framework, Druckenmiller is the size and conviction layer. Use this approach to decide how much capital setup deserves once your macro read your charts are aligned. Okay, interesting. Tudor Jones is closest of the three to pure technical macro hybrid, which is likely why he fits your strat stage goal directly. His method pairs classical technical analysis, trend support, resistance, momentum, with a macro overlay of positioning and crowd psychology. He is famous for using 200-day moving average as a filter, and for studying historical analogs. His 1987 crash call came from the overlying the 1929 chart pattern onto the pre-crash market. His core belief is markets are derived by human behavior repeating in patterns. So he watches for capitulation points and symmetric setups where the potential loss is small and the potential gain is large. He also implicit about defense. He said that the most important rule of trading is playing great defense, not great offense, meaning cutting losers fast is what lets the winners matter. For your framework, PTJ is the direct model for what you're trying to do. Layer macro. That's a good one. Ray Dalio operates at different altitude than the other two. His approach isn't about individual trade timing at all. It is about understanding where an economy sits in its debt and credit cycle. Building a portfolio or view that is structural balanced against different economic seasons. Growth up and down, inflation up and down, his all-weather framework and his writing on the long-term debt cycle are about identifying the multi-year regime the market is in, which then constrains what kind of short-term setup even makes sense. He also popularized radical transparency around testing your own assumptions against data rather than narrative. For your framework, Dalio is the regime layer, sitting above Duncan, Miller, and PJ. He tells you what kind of environment you're in, diverging mid-cycle expansion, stagflation, etc. So when you apply Duncan Miller's liquidity read or PJ technical trigger, you know where you're fighting the tide or riding it. Okay, put together a weight. Can't lie. Nah, I still think good. I'm done, bro. What do you mean? I just sent you an email on your Discord. Wait. You're not the same guy I was talking to. Huh? Wait. Oh, you are? Your color just changed. Alright, cool. I'll check it out later, bro. Alright. After the stream. Check it out. I finished streaming in 15 minutes, so yeah. Euro USD. Okay. Wow. Dude, that shit zoom into my face. Yeah, kinda. I would have been out here. Realistically speaking. Alright, bro. Put together a way to use all three without overlapping. They need to invest in macro regime, document advisor, liquidity and action buyers. Okay. Here's each trader's signature achievement. The specific designer produces it under present scale. Stanley Druckenmiller, Breaking Bank. Stanley Druckenmiller. Okay. Stanley. Stanley Druckenmiller, right? Yeah. So Stanley Druckenmiller, Breaking the Bank of England, 1992. Working with George Soros at Quantum Fund. Druckenmiller is credited as the analyst who identified the British pound was overvalued and structurally trapped inside the European exchange rate mechanisms. While the UK own interest rates and economic conditions couldn't support the peg, the fund built a short position reported around 10 billion against the sterling, and when UK was forced out of the and it became Black Wednesday, Soros fund netted roughly 1 billion in a single day. The key thing that got him there wasn't a chart pattern, it was reading the constraint before the market did. Druckenmiller saw the bonds banks own policy stance made the pound peg mathematically unsustainable. Well before the currency actually broke, what most retail traders skip is exactly this. They wait for the break to become visible on the chart, whereas Druckenmiller was position sizing around the structure in the bullet. That's interesting. So most big traders don't even look at charts, bro. They don't look at charts. They don't. They really don't. That's interesting. I really don't. Is it appropriate? Think, yeah. Jeff 30. Besides that, I am blind. Wait, like, cool. This happened. Let's go lower. I don't know. But I will take this. Mystically. Could be. Controlled risk. Controlled. Anyways. Black Wednesday broke the Bank of England. So was he institutional? This is crazy. So 1 billion in a single day. Broker Bank of England. What do I mean by that? Broker. Breaking. Oh. Breaking Bank of England. Black Wednesday. Was he in? He predicted something months in advance through fundamentals, looking at Bundesbank policy. Bundesbank policy. Things you can't see on the charts. When you see it, it's too late. This is next level trading. Nah, facts. What pair are you on? Oh, sorry, bro. I was reading. This is the DAX. The DAX. So with this might be a bad position only because we are selling quite hard. But there was a SMT, literally right here. We're on an uptrend. I was waiting for price to obviously sell off, retrace into the range. And there's a fair value gap here, SMT at these lows with UK 100. See how this one took it, this one didn't. So it's like I was waiting for sell side liquidity to be taken, and that's why I entered off a 2-minute market structure shift. I should have maybe waited for another break of structure, then enter. So I might get liquidated here. So yeah, because yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, that's the trade. UK 100, the DAX. The DAX. I mean, I am in drawdown. Yeah. Yeah. But I'm just researching macro analysis, like fundamentals of trading. No one really talks about it. Trying to have a better understanding of it. But yeah, that's the stream. Take care, guys. I'll stream tomorrow, same time. You know how it is. Alright, peace.